one hand, this is to energize you. You put it over your mouth. You're going to breathe in and breathe out only with your nose and let your stomach take over the breathing. So it goes like this. I'll demonstrate first. Like that. So ready? Let's try it first. One hand over your mouth. I know you wish you could do this to your spouses, but you don't do it. Okay, put your hand over your mouth and then breathe in with your nose and breathe out. And take a breath in. Oh, by the way, before you do this, blow your nose first. Did I forget to mention that part? Okay. All right. Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.